I'm Priyanka. Today we will learn some logo commands. This is part 2 of our video series MSW logo programming. So, let's begin by learning what is logo. Logo is a programming language that is very simple and easy to learn. It is used for teaching students how to give instructions to a computer. Now let's learn about some more MSW logo commands. So the first command is pen up or the PU command. This command is used to pick pen up so that the turtle moves without drawing lines. For example, pen up or PU. Now let's see how we can use the pen up command in MSW logo screen. The keyword used for pen up command is pen up or PU. So what pen up command actually does, pen up command picks up the pen for you so that the logo turtle moves without drawing the lines or leaving the tracks. Let's see how it works. So first of all, let's write FD for forward space 100. The logo turtle will move 100 steps forward. Press enter. So now let's write the pen up command PU and then press enter. Nothing will happen. Now if you type forward again, for example forward 20 and press enter, you will see that the logo turtle will move, but it will not leave any tracks or marks. So see, we can see that the logo turtle is moved 20 steps forward without drawing the lines. So this is how pen up commands work. Let's see again. Let's put forward 50, press enter. Again the turtle is moved 50 steps forward without leaving the lines behind or drawing the lines. Now let's again write forward 50, press enter. So this is how you can use the pen up command. The next command is the pen down or PD command. This command picks pen up so that the turtle moves and leaves tracks or lines. For example, pen down or PD. Now let's see how we can use the pen down command in MSW logo screen. The keyword used for the pen down command is pen down or PD. What pen down command actually does, the pen down command picks the pen down and so that the logo cursor moves and leaves the traces or the lines. So let's try the pen down command. So right now I have used the pen up command, so my logo turtle is moving without drawing the lines. Let's test this again. Let's put forward 40 and press enter. So the logo turtle is moving, but it does not draw any lines while it moves. So right now the pen is up. So now let's use the pen down command PD and press enter. Nothing will happen, but with this command the logo turtle picks down the pen. And now let's write forward space 20 and press enter. You will see that now the logo turtle draws the mark along with the movement. So this is how the pen down command works. Again, you can also use PENDOWN, the entire pen down word without the space in between. I just show you. Let's first use pen up, PENUP, and again press enter. Now let's put forward 20. So we will see the logo turtle will move without drawing the lines. Now you can use pen DOW and pen down without the space in between and press enter. Now pen is down and again press forward 40 and press enter. We can see that the logo turtle moves and leave the lines. So you can use the scroll bar to view the position of the logo turtle. So this is how the pen down and the pen up command works. Now the next command that we have is the hide turtle or HT command. This command hides the turtle so that you can admire your drawing. Example, hide turtle or HT. Now let's learn how we can use the hide turtle command in MSW logo screen. What hide turtle command does for us? The hide turtle command hides the turtle so that we can view our drawing clearly, or we can admire our drawing. So the keyword used for hide turtle command is HT, hide turtle HT, or we can write hide turtle without the space in between. So you can use either of the two commands, either write hide turtle complete or you can write HT. So now to view how this command works, let us first draw something on our drawing area. So let's use some series of commands. So I'm using forward 50 and press enter. Now let's use the pen up command, PU enter. Again let's use forward 50, press enter. Again let's use PD command, pen down. This will pick down the pen, and then forward 50. Now the logo turtle will move with the lines behind. Now I'm using RT90. This will make the logo turtle turn right by 90 degrees, and then I'm writing forward 100. So for suppose this is my drawing, so to hide the turtle I will write HT and press enter. So you can see the turtle is hidden. So this is how your hide turtle command works. Now we have show turtle or ST command. This command shows the turtle so that you can continue your drawing. Example, show turtle or ST. Now let's see how we can use the show turtle command in MSW logo screen. The show turtle command actually shows the turtle or displays the turtle again on the graphic area or the graphic window. So the keyword used for the show turtle command is ST, or you can write the entire show turtle, TURTLE, without the space in between. So these are the keywords, show turtle, or you can write ST. So for example, right now you can see that the turtle is hidden from the graphic area. So the show turtle command will again display the turtle in the graphic area. So I have already written show turtle, and now I will press enter, and here you go, you can see the turtle is again displayed on the graphic area. Now you can again use the hide turtle command. Let's write HIDETURTLE, hide turtle, and press enter. This will again hide the turtle, and now you can write ST to again show the turtle, and then continue with your drawing. So I can again write forward 50, press enter. Then I can write LT90. Oh, sorry, I didn't left the space in between. LT90, press enter. The turtle will turn 90 degrees to the left, and let's write forward 50. And now I can again use the HT command to hide the turtle, and the turtle is hidden. So this is how you can use the show turtle command. That's all for today's video. Happy learning. Thank you.